this ever since we were little boys, before we was ever born. I don't tell you how old it is.
That's some great water.
You like it, huh?
Okay.
Yep.
This is some really good water coming from Scale Springs, Holly Springs, Arkansas. Best water you can ever get anywhere in the whole world.
Right.
So if you get thirsty, come on through and get you a drink. Might change your entire life.
Filtered by God.
Filtered by God.
Oh God. The earth.
And y'all used to come here when you was boys, huh?
Yeah.
We was real young, little boys. I mean, like little bitty boys.
Rode your backs out here?
That too, but we used to come over here and fill things up for our grandma and them. We used to drink this water at our house every day.
Nobody
Kegs, fill up kegs, barrels.
Gallon jugs.
People still do it.
They still do it because it's fresh, it's clean, it's good water. Yep.
You ain't gonna find no water this pure.
Look at you can see the water boiling.
Y'all are my B-Bams, man. Brothers by another mother.
That's it. That's it. See, you can't poison this spring.
That's natural spring water.
This thing been like this ever since we were little boys, before we was ever born. I don't tell you how old it is.
That's some great water.
See it boiling right there. That's bubbling
Right there in the corner.
It's coming straight out the earth.
Beautiful. We're looking for mushrooms. So we're looking for mushrooms here.
Oh man. No, my knee is bad.
Look here, guys. Now, here they are. Right here.
That's it.
Isn't that beautiful?
That's what I had in mind right there.
That's medicine right there.
That's
Look
it
at that
right
medicine.
there. That's it.
Right there.
That's it right there.
And see, normally,
Nature is fun.
if you're not looking for them, you'd probably never see them.
Right. You're exactly right.
And see, I wonder what this does.
That stuff right there.
This mouse.
That's the stuff they use in medicine.
Yeah,
like,
the mouse.
This
antibiotics.
Yeah.
It's
The
moths,
penicillin. Mold.
mold and stuff like that is what they make that stuff out of.
Okay, so if we're made from the earth,
Right.
he's giving it back. You see what I mean?
Yeah.
They got some more turkey shells. What's wrong?
Oh, look at those. Beautiful. Yeah, those are awesome. Good medicine right there.
Oh yeah.
Natural healing.
Yeah. Everything the Creator gives us. See, the Native Americans, they knew about all this.
Right.
They could teach us things. Right there, you see it? You can take them and dry them out, make them into mushroom tea. You can make them into soups and so forth.
You're right.
Wow. Look at that beauty.
It's a beaut.
Isn't that gorgeous?
It is.
Yeah.
It's a beaut.
Good medicine.
It's a beaut. It is.
What? Okay, the oxygen chamber.
Here you go.
So you can get oxygen two different ways.
Okay.
You can get pure oxygen and buy it from.
Try it.
Yeah, and if you don't feel comfortable, just try a little if you want. Just take off part of it, and then give it back to the earth.
Will it come back into the system?
Well, I mean, I don't know.
I better not try that.
You're asking me questions I don't know the
It's
answer
good too. A good vegetable.
You got me?
Yeah, it is good. Yeah, that's a fire too.
And then sometimes you can find berries on trees and different things.
Really good.